A tweet that got sold for $2.9 million? Yes, that's right. And it's the tweet of Twitter's big boss, Jack Dorsey. And if my math serves me right, 2.9 million is 21.5 crores and has 7 zeros. But why on earth would somebody purchase a tweet for 21.5 crores? Hey guys, I'm Sumita Curry and here's all about this story. Now this is the tweet that's been sold for more than 20 crores and it's making a lot of jaws drop, including mine. It was announced 2 weeks back. Jack Dorsey announced a digital auction for it, saying that it was his first tweet from 2006 when he was setting up his Twitter account and hence it deserves to be sold. By the way, a majority of this money will get converted to Bitcoin and will be given to a non-profit organization to help people impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. This tweet was auctioned as an NFT, non-fungible tokens, which is quite a big rage these days. Basically, it's a digital certificate that confirms that an item is real, that's being sold online, and confirms the ownership of that item, meaning whosoever it belongs to. So I can also sell a tweet tomorrow or an art or a video tomorrow saying that it's mine. These are digital assets that are only one of a kind. They're unique and cannot have any copies. It's digital and it could be art, like I said, painting, tweets, music, and even GIFs. Earlier, you could not own anything on digital. So these are a way to give you a certificate that you own a piece. Now, why are these so expensive? Well, because some people believe that their value will go up in future. So somebody actually believed that Jack Dorsey's tweet, currently at 21.5 crores, will further increase in value in the near future. But let me tell you, this craze just isn't interesting college kids, but is legit taking off everywhere. And Jack Dorsey's tweet aside, some other things are there as well which have been selling in millions, even though they have zero tangible value. So this JPEG, for instance, sold for 500 crores recently. This clip for 47 crores. Even this cat GIF, which can be found anywhere on the internet, sold for 4.2 crores. Can you believe that? Are people really super bored in quarantine or have a lot of money? Or are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, the future? Well, for the longest time, even Bitcoin was considered to be an invention of some kid sitting in a basement. But look at where it's today. So, will NFTs also go up in value? Well, critics say that it's a flash in the pan and will fade over time. But then there are others who say that NFTs will organize everything on the digital platform. And this will be good for small artists and artisans who can protect their creations. So I'm also selling this video for 1 million. Any takers? Well, this is Sumita Curry signing off, and do let me know what you think of the story and of NFTs. Will you sell any of your belonging as an NFT? Let me know in the comment section below, and goodbye and thank you very much for watching.